Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy acid mur, alternative name muriatic acid. Full name acid muriaticum, short name acid mur. Common name muriatic acid. We will use this term acid mur throughout the video. Source, compound, chemical word. Pathogenesis of acid mur. Acid mur irritates and corrodes the mucous membrane to produce ulcers thereon. It causes a low febrile condition. It decomposes tissue rapidly, leading to putrid condition. Constitution of acid mur. Physical makeup of acid mur adapted to people with dark hair, dark eyes, dark complexion. Temperament, irritable and peevish temperament. Hot or cold, chilly patient. Miasm, Psora. Mental journals of acid mur. Sad, taciturn, introvert, suffer in silence type. Irritable, muttering, persistent loud moaning. Great restlessness, cannot bear thought or sight of meat. Physical journals of acid mur. All secretions from body foul and offensive. Even exhaled air also offensive. Cannot tolerate sun heat. Disease of athletic type like typhoid, paratyphoid, diphtheritic, fever, etc. with deep prostration, burning of ulcers, eruption, piles, stomach, abdomen. That is stomach, abdomen, ulcers and burning. Muscles of heart, bladder, anus, tongue tend to paralysis. Mucous membrane of mouth and digestive tract by bleeding, tract dry, bleeding, cracked, deeply ulcerated, tongue coated at the edge, dry, sunken, leather-like, paralyzed and beefy. Soreness of the body causing restlessness. Frequently changes position in bed but soon grows weak and debilitated. Want to lie down, slides down the bed, eyes shut, lower jaw drops. These are the signs. This eyes shut, lower jaw drops, slides down the bed. These are the severe prostration, signals of severe prostration in the body. Tongue, gums, piles, ulcer, bluish. Scorbutic state, dropsical swelling. Scorbutic means actually the gum. When the gum becomes spongy and tends to bleed or secretion of pus is called scorbutic gum. Pulse intermittent every third beat. That is, every third beat is off. Palpitation of heart felt in the face. This is a very important symptom. Palpitation of heart felt in the face. On the face, the palpitation is felt. Anus sore, sensitive with or without piles. Anus sore during menses. Anus sore during menses. Piles protrude while urinating. Piles protrude while urinating. This is image of piles. Internally, how it is looks like, and it is from external side. If you look at the rectum, anal orifice, you will see this thing. This is nothing but piles. Involuntary stool while passing urine. Malignant affection of mouth. Malignant affection of mouth. It is a precancerous lesion here. Maybe ultimately cancer, tend to cancer also. Started with deep perforating ulcer with dark base. Modalities of acid mur. Words: touch, wet weather, walking, cold, drinks, bath, sitting, human voyage, sun. Better, motion, warmth, lying on left side. Head symptom of acid mur. Vertigo worse on slight movement of eyes. Lying on right side or on back. That is on back, on right side, on slight movement of eyes. Every situation the vertigo become worse. Occipital pain with leaden heaviness. Occipital pain. The pain in this particular region is called occipital pain because this is occipital bone. This is a skull. Skull has got 8 cranial nerves. The name have been given. You can read out. Occipital pain with leaden heaviness, worse from looking at anything intently. Brain feel bruised with headache. Human voice intolerable. periodical pain over left eyes with numbness down right arm and aphasia. Aphasia means the person who cannot communicate, that is cannot speak. His speaking power is lost. This is actually deep brain disease, nervous system disease. Hairline as if standing, hair as if standing on head. Hair as if standing on head. Eye symptom of acid mure, vertical hemiopia. Vertical hemiopia means this person particularly see vertical half, so either left half or right half is lost. Suppose he is seeing and he is looking at a man, then he will see either left half of the man or right half of the man vertically. Eyes closed on sitting from exhaustion. Ear symptoms of acid mure, deafness, distant voice talking causes headache, cutting pain from mastoid to nape. I have given you a picture here. Mastoid bone lies just out back of our ear. Here is the ear. The back of the ear is mastoid bone. From mastoid to nape of the neck. This is the neck area. Actually, neck has been shown. This cervical vertebra has been shown. So this is neck area. So this portion, cutting pain from mastoid to nape. Tingling, creeping, cold pain running into vertex. Vertex means this portion. In the middle top position of head is called vertex. No symptom acid mure, hemoptysis, sneezing. Face symptoms of acid mure, dark or glowing red face with cold hands, lips sore, cracked, scabby, freckles due to exposure to sun. Freckles actually, this is freckles. These are called freckles in English. Lower jaw fallen. Mouth symptom acid mure, tongue dry, bluish, heavy, stiff. Talking hindered, that is talking is not possible, blocked. Look shrunken or burnt, that is tongue look shrunken, burnt. Apathy in the mouth, apathy ulcer. Hard lump in tongue, cancer of tongue. This is the cancer of tongue. Toothache from acids and sweets, sores on teeth, gums swollen, bleeding, ulcerating, lips burn, heavy, bloated. Everything tasted sweet. Beer tasted like honey. Throat symptom of acid mure, dry with burning in chest. Attempts to swallow produces spasms and choking. Involuntary swallowing. Involuntary swallowing. This is a dangerous thing. You will swallow foods or say liquid anything, but it is involuntary. You don't know. It is not under your control. So there is every scope that the swallowed matter goes into not food tube, air tube, and there is very serious trouble. Stomach symptom acid mures. Aversion to meat, stomach neither tolerates or nor digest foods. Abdomen symptoms of acid mure. Fullness and distension in abdomen from small quantity of food. Empty sensation in stomach and abdomen after stool and in AM. AM means, AM, 0 AM to 12 AM. Involuntary stools or prolapse of rectum while passing flatus or urine. Piles very sore, better from heat, worse during pregnancy, protruding like a bunch of grapes. That is piles, protruding from the anus like a bunch of grapes. Anus sore during menses, liver enlarged sore, ascites from cirrhosis liver. You see, this is the normal liver. Now, when the liver get cirrhotic, adjective cirrhotic, cirrhosis is noun form. This is the cirrhotic liver or cirrhosis of liver. This whole liver is fibrosed, that is completely gone. The next stage is cancer of liver. Generally, cirrhosis of liver occurs to person who used to drink wine much. First stage cirrhosis, then becomes cancer. Urinary symptom of acid mure. Atony of liver must wait a long time before passing urine or has to press so hard that anus protrudes. Cannot pass urine without passing stool. Urine red, violet, milky, copious night and day. Urine escapes while passing wind. Female symptom acid mur. Leukorrhea with backache. Pricking in vagina. Genitals very sensitive. Cannot bear least touch. Heart symptoms of acid mur. Large, full and soft pulse. Every third beat drops. Again, pulse may be feeble, rapid and small. Palpitation felt in the face. Its symptoms also previously there. Again, it is comes here. Palpitation felt in the face. Extremity symptom of acid mur. Red, swollen, burning fingers or toes. Forearms heavy. Staggers when walking due to weakness of lower limbs. Staggers means walking in the unbalanced or rather loss of control stage. Not steady walking. Staggering is not steady. This is like somewhat like drunkards. Cramps in ball of thumb, right. When writing, goes off while moving it. That is while moving the thumb. It is goes off. The cramp goes up. Pain in tendo Achilles. This is the calf muscles. You know, this is the calf muscle, right hand calf. The calf muscle is attached to heel with a tendon is called tendo Achilles. Tendo Achilles. Note here I have kept A capital. A means Achilles is a name. The Greek hero Achilles who killed Hector of Troy. He was killed. When Achilles was killed by an arrow stuck in his these muscles, this tendon. For that reason, this is called tendo Achilles. The Greek hero Achilles was killed by an arrow which was stuck in this tendon. Thereafter, this is named as tendo Achilles. Skin symptoms of acid mur. Ulcers throb on walking. Scarlet fever. Livid with petechiae. Eczema dorsal of the hand. Eczema of the dorsal of the hand. Fever symptom acid mur. Cold in bed. In early morning. Intense burning heat with aversion to covers. Adynamic fever like typhoid, paratyphoid, sectic fever, etc. Related medicines, baptisia and bryonia. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got any problem, please write down in the comment section. I would certainly respond.